Time to repair the frame rail. Gonna drill out these spot welds. I've cut out all the rusted pieces. I took the bracket out. The bracket here. We're gonna have to patch in a panel there, weld that back in, and see what we can't do about fixing this bracket. I've treated it with some phosphoric acid. See if we can't get that cleaned up. Oh, we cut out the rust. We cut out the bracket that was in there. This is the piece that we cut out from here. And here's the replacement piece that's going to have to go in there. So let me get this all set up and then we'll tack it in. Alright, here's the repair patch, just held in place with clamps. All tacked in, just need to weld it up. All welded in. I cleaned up the welds a little bit on the inside of the frame rail. I haven't done anything to the back yet. You can see that the penetration was pretty good. But I'm going to run a bead across the back just so that it cleans up real nice. Here's a look at the progress we are making on that front bumper bracket. Started with a paper template. That's the original. And right now, that's how far we are with the fabricated piece. We made all the repairs to the piece that we cut out of the frame rail. This was all rusted. We replaced that. The captive nut had pulled out when we removed the bumper, so we welded that back in place. We finished painting the inside of the frame rail. I hit it up with some weld-through primer. Here's the bracket that's going to go in. I left the areas where it's going to be welded, unpainted. And we'll just hit that up with some weld-through primer when we're ready. We've got all the spot weld holes drilled. You can see here's the plate that's going to go on the outside. I'm going to weld in this little tab right here so that I can get a good, nice, solid weld right there. I finished welding in the bracket, and now I just shot it with some undercoating. I shot the inside of this panel with some undercoating. I'll just hit that up with some weld-through primer. Everything's all clamped in place. We're going to tack it in and see how it looks. We've more or less finished welding in the front frame rail patch. There was this patch that we had to make on the apron. It's being held in by magnets on the inside. That's all fitted up. We're going to weld that in place now.